Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is April 14th, 2025, and we're diving deep into Ethereum, ETHUSD, combining the latest news with our detailed chart analysis. We'll explore recent events and their potential impact on ETH's price. Let's start with the news. Recent headlines indicate a complex situation for Ethereum. Cointelegraph reports that United States regulators approved Ether ETF options. On the other hand, it's down overall due to reports of Trump's proposed tariffs pushing the price to two-year lows, according to finance magnates. We'll correlate these events with the chart data to form our analysis. Now, let's look at the daily chart to see what the technicals are telling us. Looking at the last few months, from December 2024 to today, we can see a volatile period for ETHUSD. There was a clear bullish trend upwards toward the end of 2024, followed by a significant drop in early April 2025. The price is currently hovering around $3,158.06. Zooming in on the daily chart, between roughly January and March 2025, we observe a strong uptrend, culminating in a peak around $4,000. However, this was followed by a sharp decline, influenced, perhaps, by news of Trump's tariffs, as reported by finance magnates. A key level to watch is around $3,000. If ETH can hold above this level, it could indicate a potential reversal. However, failure to do so could lead to further downside, targeting previous lows near $2,500. Overall, from the daily chart, ETH is currently in a bearish trend, but there are signals that indicate a potential for an upward trend. To get a clearer picture of the short-term trends, let's switch to the 1-hour chart. Analyzing the 1-hour chart, I can see a more granular view of the recent price action. There are a lot of up and down spikes. The 1-hour chart reveals that in this area, Ethereum is fluctuating a lot. The lack of clear direction suggests market indecision, further adding to the uncertainty caused by the conflicting news events we discussed earlier. For even shorter-term opportunities, let's analyze the 15-minute chart and examine the recent price movements. The data suggests that it hit a low at around April 8th and is now climbing back up again, but is still experiencing a lot of volatility. Based on the 15-minute chart, in light of the news, consider setting tight stop-loss orders to manage risk. Look for breakout confirmations before entering any positions, and be prepared to adjust your strategy based on incoming news and market sentiment. To recap, Ethereum is currently navigating a landscape of conflicting forces. Trump's tariffs are pushing the price down while ETF options were approved, causing upward pressure. On the daily chart, watch the $3,000 level for support. A break below could send ETH to $2,500, while holding above $3,000 could signal a potential reversal. On the hourly and 15-minute charts, expect volatility and indecision. Look for short-term opportunities while carefully managing risk. Keep a close eye on upcoming news events, like ETH privacy enhancements, as well as key economic data releases and further regulatory developments, as these will significantly influence ETH's price action in the coming weeks.